That's the Benny Under. Benny Under signs my immigration to a Caribbean. That's the best clothes I ever had. My previous country of living. And let's see. Package they have like really high quality. This is Benny Under. Can be better. This from previous video. Can take a watch from my riding bicycle. That's one of the best. That's how they close. And under. Wow. Let's see what next they bring to me. What is here? Something black. Wow. What? Oh, it's like shirt. My English not pronunciation. Short skirt. Shirt. This is shirt. Let's try. It's already like a restaurant's outfit. This is shirt. Let's see. This one from previous video. You can take a watch. Oh, Benny Under. Benny Under, thank you so much. You the one who produce those kind of clothes which one protect from sun. Not just burning on sun, but also from heating on sun. Because sometimes it's heating, like you put ironing when you go out on country like that. But in summer it's everywhere heating like crazy. Whatever. And let's see. Bottom here are clothes with plastic knopki. How to say this in English? If somebody speak Russian English, please write in commentaries how to say knopki, because I don't really know. You close with this plastic buttons connected like that. Fabric a little bit see-through, but you know that see-through is my second name. I love everything what is about share fabric, share dress, share skirt, short, even share behavior. Sometimes share behavior is exactly how I am. So, perfect. Only one thing, I'm not sure if it's feminine or masculine, but I really love how it looks and what I can style over here. It's like you can put a little bit see-through skirt. Let me show you how I can style this. Can be better. Over here it's heated protection, so you don't get sweat, and from sun protection during the day. And this is also from my beach bikini outfit part, and this is more of decoration. And just watch how cool it looks. Really cool together. For me, that's the best. Here you can make it a little bit uplifting. Here also you can make a little bit uplifting. So that will be lifted up. Here no pocket, but also no needed. Absolutely wide. And let's make it a little bit more. And try imagine that you go to beach to get sun. Is patented fabric which one makes you getting dry fast. One of the most fast dryer fabric which one protect you from sweat, from heat and from sunburn. That's how it looks. I wanna you see made with patented fabric technology. It's not just like beautiful, it's also a lot of benefits this fabric has. And another one, let's see what is here. I love how Benny Under, how they make packages, because to open their package is like real pleasure. Come on, no what how cool. One more jacket. I love jackets with this things. And let's see what is here, how it's made. And let's try. That's one a little bit special than another one, because here has special capuche which one you open for ponytail. Is it cool, right? It is like really cool. And fabric a little bit see-through. I love any kind of see-through because I love a little bit like provocative clothes, provocative dress. And even sun protection, it's like not clothes you like monk, for example. It's keep sunset protection and looks nice. Let's see. My favorite hose for the hands. It's exactly can be better. Let's make me a ponytail to show you how it works. And we put this is hole just over the ponytail. You keep your hair out for femininity, and you close right here. Perfect. If you can see how ponytails look over here, let me know. Because I know from behind I cannot see. You can also do close it. It's the best clothes ever since I'm immigrated to live in Caribbean until rest of life. Like for me, there nothing can be better. Even this is things I never even can imagine it exists like that. But now I'm finding it's like really special, not like everybody. And let's see what else have in this clothes. Here has zipped pockets, both of them to put your hair. So that's how it looks from behind, and it's my favorite color, light blue. If it's possible to take capuche out, perfect. I'm really in love with these clothes, and I'm in love with these hands, and I'm in love with this capuche, how it looks. And even if you take it out, it's still perfect. You don't need to have special hat, кепка, how to say кепка in English, let's write please in commentary. You don't need to have special forehead. Also, when you carry your hat, you always have to carry this in your hands. This is, you just take it out. You never forget it nowhere, you never lost it nowhere. It's always with you, it's always over here. You just lift it up, dressing it like that, and ready to go. Write in comment, would you wear that with ponytail outside of your clothes, or just keep it like that? Because I'm still a little bit hesitated how it's better with ponytail or without ponytail, just like that. Even without ponytail, I think for me better, only because I have very short hair. But if you have hair longer, definitely ponytail would looks nice. I love how it's tied. I don't want to even take it out because I love how it's tied. It shows your figure nicely, it shows how you slim, how nice you fit, and looks perfect. Can be better, guys. Time to take it out and answering your commentary. Bye.